Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Mario Kart on your Android phone. If you want to download and install Mario Kart for your Android devices, then here is how you can do it. First, ensure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your Play Store. Go to the search field and type in Mario Kart and search. Look for this application from Nintendo Co. Limited and tap on the install button to begin the download for the application. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android phone, and soon after it's completed, open the app and enjoy. That is how you can easily download Mario Kart on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.